Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update software devices on Windows 11. So let's get started. So I will tell you the simplest step. So you have to open now Device Manager. So search Device Manager. As you can see the top on here, click on here. Open the window, maximize it. And in the left side, you can see all the listed drivers on your Windows 11. So search for software devices. As you can see here, double click on it, it will give you some options. So you have to go to first one and right click on it, and now you can see the update driver option. Click on it. Now you can see the two options here, search automatic for driver as well as browse my computer for drivers. So you have to select for the first one. In my case, I have already updated my driver, so you can see in your laptop as well as PC whether you got update or not. So close this window, again close this window. Now go to search bar, and this time you have to move to settings. So open settings. Okay, now in the left side you can see all the listed settings. So you have to move to Windows Update option, as you can see in the last one. Go to the Windows Update option and click for check for updates. So it will take to 20 to 30 seconds so for checking for the latest updates for your security devices as well as software devices. So till then you can like and subscribe my channel. I hope you have already subscribed to my channel. I keep bringing the best tutorials on Windows 11, and they are very essential for your working and efficient. Okay, so in my case I have up to date and I got no updates for my software devices. You can check in your PC whether you got update or not, and let me know in the comment section. So keep your PC up to date and it will help you in the smooth working. So guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care.